Today I will show you these 6 types of puff hairstyles. Hello everyone, it's Mim here and welcome back to my channel. So let's get started. At first, by using a teasing comb, I will take randomly 2 to 3 sections from front of my hair and will tease them lightly. After it, I will take a triangular shaped section above my middle eyebrow up to 3 to 4 inches away of my forehead and clipping it with bobby pins like an egg shape for an extra hold. As it has become a triangular shaped puff with a backside volume. Hairstyle number 2. This time I will take a big chunk of hair from inside of my eyebrow up to middle of my head. After brushing my hair thoroughly, I will take the hair all together slightly away and will twist it up to 2 times. And by holding it like a pinch with my other hand, I will bring it forward. At last, after adjusting the front hair, I will clip it with bobby pins like an egg shape for that extra hold. And here is my second hairstyle. Now hairstyle number 3. This time, as like my second hairstyle, I will make the same kind of puff, but this time I will make slightly little puff than before, as I will use the same way to make my middle puff. After it, I will make 2 sections up to my ear on both of my sides. Then after teasing it, I will take my right side part at first and will bring it more than half away to my other side, and then very tightly I will clip it with bobby pins. After it, I will try to match my side part with the puff without leaving any gap, so that it looks like that the puff and side part here have been taken all together. Same way I will do to my other side also. Here is my third hairstyle, as it looks like that all the hair has been taken all together from the front. Hairstyle number 4. This time, by leaving a 2-inch side part, I will take my middle part here and tease them. Now I will take the hair from end of my eyebrow up to my crown area. As after brushing my hair thoroughly and after confirming the visibility of the side part, I will make the puff and will clip it with big bobby pins as I do have thick hair. Now hairstyle number 5. This time I will do the side puff. By taking a square shape section part of my hair, I will twist it by bringing the hair on my one side. And by pushing it forward, I will clip it with bobby pins. Hairstyle number 6. With my same hairstyle, I will do my final hairstyle. As I will take the hair from above my ear and will clip it over the corner side of the puff. And by teasing my other side part of the hair, I will bring it over the puff corner, and by clipping it tightly, I will spread the hair. And with it I have completed all of my 6 hairstyles. I hope you liked all of them. So if you really did, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.